Yo, what is going on YouTube? It is Thursday, August 27th, 2024. Welcome back to yet another vlog, guys. I'm starting this vlog very early in the day. It's only about 6:10 a.m. I actually did wake up around 4:30 to 5 a.m. I went ahead, got the ice for the ice plunge, and got some stuff done. I've just been like cleaning my room and stuff like that. But yeah, we're starting this vlog early today. With that being said, we're actually about to go ahead and head outside to hit the ice plunge. Then after that, I actually do have to edit vlog 215. Hopefully we'll be able to get that edited and uploaded before 4 p.m. today. But yeah, hopefully we'll be able to get that done. Once we're done editing this vlog, we will then mark out our levels and give the full analysis out to the Discord. We absolutely crushed and killed the market yesterday, so hopefully we can continue to do the same today and continue to have a strong week this week, a good week. And we also should be hitting the gym later in the vlog. I was supposed to hit the gym yesterday, but then I slept, and then I had something going on that was unexpected in the evening, so I didn't get to hit the gym yesterday. So we definitely will be hitting a chest and tricep day later in the vlog, guys. So stay tuned for that. Hopefully you guys do enjoy today's vlog. Let's absolutely crush and kill the market today, and let's have a good day. All right, y'all, it's going to get here for 3 minutes. I tried to get my AirPods to work, but for some reason they didn't want to connect to my phone, so it is what it is. We're just going to have to do this ice plunge without any music. Let's go ahead and get it in for about 3 minutes. Damn, bro. Damn. Yeah. The more you move around in this thing, the colder it gets, because a friend told me your body builds like a wall of heat or something like that when it was just in cold water like this. So looking around, it's just fucking cold again, bro. Oh, yeah. Perfect way to start the morning. Today's gonna be a good day, guys. It's gonna be a good day. It's gonna be another productive day. Another disciplined day. Just another day. That's time, guys. Oh, yo, it is about 6:33 now. Like I said, I'm about to go ahead and edit this vlog, so update you guys once we get that done. All right, y'all, it is about 9:01 a.m. right now, so let's go ahead and go over the levels very quickly here. Let's go ahead and dive right into it. We're going to get into QQQ here. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys these levels just so you guys can get an overview and a good idea of how these levels play out throughout the day and how price does react to these key price levels. With that being said, I kind of want to go over my strategy very briefly here if you're a first time viewer and stuff like that. So all these white lines, white boxes, green boxes you see on my chart are all key support and demand zones. Supply, demand, support, resistance zones. And I also use price action throughout the day within the market and also VWAP to determine my trades, stuff like that. But like I said, let's go and get back into it. I want to show you guys QQQ and everything I'm watching today so you guys can see how price does react at these key levels throughout the day as I do pick up the recording. So here are my levels for QQQ. Next we have AMD here. After that we have IWM. Last but not least we have SPY here. I also am starting to watch NVIDIA more and play NVIDIA, but the only reason I'm not watching it is because we actually have earnings on NVIDIA tomorrow. So I do think that, contracts are just going to be a lot more expensive than they usually are. And NVIDIA honestly might not have the best movement in the market anyways because people are waiting to trade it until after earnings. Stuff like that. So that's pretty much everything I got to say for you guys right now. I'll go ahead and drag over the Discord and show you guys my Discord right now that I actually do have a link to in the YouTube description below. 7-day free trial, and then it's $10 every month after that. If you guys are not satisfied with the Discord in the first 7 days, you can cancel your subscription for absolutely zero charge before that 7 days ends. Maybe just to see how you guys like the Discord, get a feel for it, stuff like that. But every morning I give out an analysis on AMD, IWM, SPY, QQQ, and also I'm going to start giving out levels on NVIDIA as well. I also give out call outs throughout the day, strike prices I'm watching, key levels I'm watching. I keep you guys updated with what I'm liking throughout the day. Like yesterday here, I said I think I'm liking puts. You guys can read this here. Gave out strike price. I'm giving out levels and stuff like that. My plan and idea and strategy. We had an absolutely beautiful trade here on SPY yesterday. If you guys are also new to trading and have no idea what you're doing, join the Discord, ask as many questions as you would like. That's what I'm here for. That's the biggest part of this Discord, is for me to help new traders get pointed in the right direction. And also, the whole point of this is just to document the journey throughout YouTube, be completely transparent with you guys, and do a vlog every single day until the day I probably die, honestly, with these day trading type of vlogs, stuff like that, just to document the whole journey, to show you guys that this is really possible if you continue to stay consistent and show up every single day. It is possible. So yet again, I'll leave a link for the Discord in the YouTube description. I also am trying to join live trading VC and trade with you guys live as much as I can. Some days I work, so some days, well, I don't work until 7 p.m., but I work the day before that, so I get off work at 7 a.m., and then I have to work again at 7 p.m. the same day, if that makes sense. So I won't be on as long as those days. I'm trying to speak way too fast right now, and I keep fumbling my words. But yeah, if you guys would like me to join a live trading VC, I'm more than happy to join that. We can trade together throughout the day, share ideas and stuff like that, give out economic news every single day and stuff like that in the Discord. This guy actually had a pretty good day in the Discord yesterday. Just trying to help you guys out, helping new traders, stuff like that. Everything I got to say for you guys right now. As always, I'll keep you guys updated throughout the day as I do take trades or I see any potential setups. So I'll update you guys then. I know we're going to have an absolutely beautiful day in the market today if we can continue to stay disciplined to that strategy and stuff like that. So update you guys then. Let's kill it today. All right, you guys, I need to give you guys an update. It is about 12:23 p.m. right now. We are 2 for 3 on the day. So we had 2 wins, 1 loss. The last loss was honestly very stupid. I'm not sure why I took this last trade, but let me go ahead and go over the first trade with you guys here. I'm pretty sure it might have been on, I think it was IWM, the first trade we took of the day. Yeah, it was on IWM. Here's the Discord. I actually was giving this pretty much exact trade out to my Discord. It was giving the idea out to my Discord. You guys can pause the video here and stuff like that. But let's go ahead and actually jump over to the chart. Let me pull up also my Webull so I can give you guys the exact entry I got here and exactly where I entered. Give me 1 second. All right, guys. The first trade of the day was on IWM. If we go up to the 15-minute time frame, higher time frames, we're looking a little bit more bearish. As you guys saw, if you did pause the video, on my Discord, I was saying that we were breaking below this 219.11 level, sorry. That we were looking a little bit more bearish. I said I was looking for a retest of this level and a retest of VWAP early into market open. Unfortunately, I didn't stay as disciplined as I needed to get that entry. I told myself, and I even told the Discord, that I was looking for an entry around VWAP, but I let emotions get the best of me, and I kind of got an entry earlier than around VWAP. I got an entry around 945, so that's around here-ish once we got this rejection. As you guys can see, this was not around VWAP, though, where I originally wanted to get my entry at. If you would have waited to get an entry around VWAP when we rejected around VWAP, that actually would have been a very, very, very solid trade and even a better entry than I got. But regardless, this trade played out very nicely. Ended up closing this green. That was the first trade we had on the day. Very solid trade there on IWM. We're below a key level. Waiting for that retest of VWAP. Well, kinda. Waiting for that retest of VWAP. We were looking bearish on higher time frames. All those confluences that came together ended up being a very solid trade. Trade number 2 was on SPY. This was another very, very solid setup. I saw us looking bullish on higher time frames here on SPY. If we pull up SPY here and go to like the 15-minute chart, we were actually getting a bounce around this 559.05 level. I saw us reclaiming VWAP. And at the time when I actually was watching this, I was actually had my eye on IWM. I was kind of trading IWM at the same time, so I didn't have my full focus on SPY. But I was telling my Discord, as you guys can see, I'm watching calls on SPY. I already missed a good entry, but I'm going to see if I can get another entry around VWAP. I said I was watching 554, 1 DTE calls, got my entry, posted my entry there when I got into those calls. As you guys can see, SPY absolutely ripped after getting that entry around VWAP. Very, very, very solid trade here. Past 2 trades are very solid. I mean, they pretty much, the first one, I will say that it kind of went against my trading strategy. I kind of let emotions get to me on that trade. But here, this trade on SPY was honestly a very solid trade. 2 very solid trades to start out the day, I won't lie. Was very happy with those 2 trades. And then to end it off, I unfortunately was taking a trade around 11:30 a.m., which is honestly very, very rare for me. I never, ever, ever trade honestly around that time of day. But that time of the day, I'm pretty much done with trading. The last trade of the day was taken on QQQ. I took calls at 11:22 a.m. Fortunately enough for me, I really didn't give this call out on my Discord. It was kind of just a trade I took on my own. We took this at 11:21 a.m. What I saw on this trade and why I actually got into calls on this trade here on QQQ, if we do go to the higher time frames, like the 15-minute chart, we were breaking above a key resistance and supply zone. I was then waiting for a pullback on the 1-minute chart to that level to get an entry, but before I got that entry, I wanted to make sure that we had that confirmation that we were going to bounce at this level and make higher highs off this level. But as you guys can see, we literally pretty much had no indication of moving higher off this level. With that being said, I should have realized that and completely stayed away from calls. I can't even tell you the real reason that I took calls on QQQ without us getting that confirmation that we were actually going to hold that level and move higher. If I had to make an educated guess, honestly, a really good guess, I would have to say that it was probably based off emotions and stuff like that. But that's how we ended it. I'm barely up on the account, honestly, today. That last trade, honestly, really kind of screwed me over for the day. I was taking 1 DTE puts on my first trade on IWM and also AMD, or sorry, not AMD, what was that? SPY. I've been playing 1 DTE contracts a lot more recently, and they've been doing me a lot better. These 0 DTE contracts are just way too volatile. They move way too fast for me. I've kind of switched over to 1 DTE, trying those out more, really letting that trade play out the way it should be and stuff like that. It kind of gives you more room for your trade to play out and stuff like that. Not as volatile as these 0 DTEs, but they're still if the market makes a pretty good move in your direction, and if your trade and strategy actually plays out, you'll make pretty much, you'll make a good chunk. You'll make some good money. So that's everything I really got to say for you guys right now. I've kind of honestly just been chilling. I had to get some stuff done with my car. I had to pray my what's it called, dude? What's that called? The fucking property tax, or I don't even know what it's called, bro, but I had to pay that. I was trying to get that sorted out, stuff like that. So I kind of just been chilling. I probably am gonna hit the shower soon. and stuff like that. And then I probably will update you guys once we get to the gym tonight. I'm not sure what time I'm going to go yet, so that could be any time from now, 12:30 p.m. to like 6 or 7 p.m. is the latest I'll probably be in there. So, yeah, didn't have the best day today, but, some mistakes were made, and we can always continue to get better. There's always room for that continuous improvement. We're back at it tomorrow. Not going to let today get to me, really. We still barely closed it green, but, we still managed to close it green, so that's all that really matters. Definitely going to be done for the day, so update you guys once we do get to the gym. All right, y'all, that is actually going to be it for this video. I'm very sorry to not record a proper outro, but thank you so much for watching. Hopefully you guys did enjoy today's day trading vlog. Thank you for all the love and the support you guys have been showing on the recent videos. Keep it up. I'm going to keep uploading every single day. I got to get better about uploading literally every single day. We cannot miss a day. Maybe we can miss one day a week, but that's about it. But thanks again for watching, guys. As always, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace, man.